What's up? My name is Alex Costa, and if you've ever read anything online ever, then you've probably heard of the saying, nice guys finish last. Ouch, that is a scary saying. Why would I actively try to not be nice? Isn't that the whole point of being a good human being, a good person, to be nice to everyone? Well, you're probably right. As a matter of fact, you're 100% correct. But as we know, human beings are flawed individuals. We like to complicate things. The truth is, girls tend to always fall for the bad boys and befriend the nice guys. The friend zone is really just a nice guy hangout area. But don't worry guys, today I'm gonna show you how to still be a good person but not get trapped in the nice guy hangout zone, aka friend zone. We're gonna make sure that you look like a badass. One of the most powerful things when you meet someone is going to be their smell, their scent. So that is the first step here, right? To not look like a nice guy, you need to smell like a bad boy. Stop wearing light colognes at night. You need to wear a cologne that's going to pack a punch. You need a powerful scent that's rich, that girls will go crazy for. You know when you walk by someone, right, and you smell that amazing scent, whether she was your type or not, you feel an attraction to that scent and that person. It's crazy what the right cologne can do for you. Switch up your light and fresh scents for woody, leathery, dark scents that will give you an extra seduction power. You're not trying to smell like a friendly, nice guy. You're trying to smell like a sexy dude looking for a partner. And guys, I have so many videos on colognes for men, so if you're looking for the best fragrances, then don't worry, I got you covered. I'm gonna leave a few of them listed in the description below. The second thing we need to work on, guys, the dad bod, it's gotta go. I'm not telling you to get into a bodybuilder shape. All right, I'm not telling you to get super skinny. I'm saying you need to look healthy, and the dad bod just doesn't. The problem with the dad bod is that you're kind of in shape, but you're not really. You're in between. With a jacket on, you might look like you're in shape, but as soon as you take the jacket off, it's kind of like a disappointment. You know, girls will see that gut sticking out, and it's not really that attractive. Though I will say there are some girls, and if you're really lucky, you will find them, some girls that are attracted to a dad bod, but I wouldn't count on it. At the end of the day, being in shape will always be better aesthetically and of course for your health. If you're sick of looking like the nice guy, put some muscle on, get rid of the extra weight that you gained during quarantine, and you will immediately look way stronger and less like the nice, boring guy. Now that you smell incredible, you have a healthy looking body, it's time to work on the nice guy fashion and let it go. Nice guys wear clothes that don't really fit them properly, or they have that boring style that just doesn't get any looks. You need to be more than that. You need clothes that will show the best features of your body, your chest, your shoulders, your arms, right? You need clothes that look like they were tailored for you because they fit you like a glove, and I have the perfect brand for you. I just got a new shipment from today's sponsor, Cuts Clothing, and man, I love their stuff. They have some of the nicest, softest, best t-shirts for men that I've ever tried on. It's a buttery soft fabric blend that feels super nice on the skin. And get this, they have a modern cut that enhances and shows off your body in all the right places. So no more nice guy boring clothing. Because of their body enhancing slim fit, your arms will look amazing. Your biceps will look bigger. Your triceps more pronounced because of the way the sleeves are cut here. Just a tiny bit shorter than the average nice guy shirt. These will give you really nice figure and enhance your body in a way that most other t-shirts just can't do. So it's funny, I wear their t-shirts a lot, and every time I do for an Instagram story or a YouTube video, you know, every time I wear a Cuts tee, you guys DM me asking me, Alex, what shirt is that? And there's no logo on it. So you're basically asking me what shirt this is just because it fits me well. So that is the reaction that you will get when you wear Cuts clothing. And when it comes to fit and the style, the options are endless. They have 3 color options, crew neck, V-neck, Henleys. They have 3 types of hems here in the bottom as well, from split hem to classic to elongated. So what I would say is taller guys usually like the elongated hem, while shorter guys, they should go for the split or the classic hem. And guys, the hoodies are so comfortable, man. I've been wearing these so much now that it's finally a little bit colder here. I have this one, which I absolutely love. I have this one here too. And I have this one. this one here as well. I absolutely love this one. I wore this one to New York actually last week on my trip. So comfortable. And if that wasn't enough, one of the best things about their shirts is that they're wrinkle resistant. So you can fold them up, put them in your drawer, and when you pull them out, they're not gonna have those annoying marks on them. It's a game changer. Guys, I'm gonna leave the link to Cuts clothing in the description below so you guys can enhance your physique and look incredible in your new clothes. Even their hoodies enhance your body because of the way they're cut. No more nice guy boring clothes. Get Cuts clothing instead. Number 4 on today's list is having submissive body language. Alex, what the heck is that? Let me explain. Don't be the type of guy who is always looking down, who has a really soft, shaky handshake, the guy who is always hunched over like this with bad posture, and get your hands out of your pockets. That type of body language makes it seem like you're not really a confident man. Instead, walk with energy, stand up straight, and stop looking down. And no, I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, you have to show strength, you have to be loud, you need to break hands when you shake them. No, you definitely don't. You're not a douche. You're a gentleman who is cool, calm, and collected, and above all, confident. You don't need to show off and be loud. You know what you're capable of. Next up, to cut ties with your old, nice guy self, you're gonna need to spice up your style even more. You know what's gonna go really well with your new Cuts clothing? Accessories. Now, if you guys are longtime subscribers, then you know I love my jewelry. I like to wear rings, a necklace, which I am wearing a necklace. I like to wear sunglasses, bracelets, and I definitely like to wear a watch. But it took me a while to get used to wearing accessories, especially rings. I thought they were too much, you know. Let me tell you, that's not true. Rings will definitely make you look less like a nice guy and more of a badass, so it's the perfect accessory for you. A necklace makes your t-shirts look a lot better, especially when you're wearing an open jacket over it. You know, even with a hoodie, it works. Sunglasses make you look more mysterious. A watch gives that gentleman vibe that every guy wants to have. So spice up your look, change it up, and get some accessories to go with even your basic outfits, because that will make sure they're not basic outfits any longer. Number 6 on the list of things that make you look like a nice guy: always saying yes and being freely available at all times. This is a tough one because I get it. You know, you want to be available if a girl is asking you out. You want to say yes all the time if you like her, but you need to balance things out. Saying yes all the time means that you're always free, which means you have nothing going on, which means you're probably boring and not too many people want to hang out with you. See what I mean? It doesn't look great. So once in a while, if you're tired, if you don't feel like going out or seeing that person, it's more than okay to say no. Not today. I'll catch up with you next time. It tells them that you have other plans. They can't get access to you whenever they want. Let them know that. And next, wearing really bright colors. If you're going out and try to look like a badass, like a dark, mysterious man, then you have to look the part. Right? You can't wear a yellow button-up shirt and try to look like a badass. It just doesn't work. You can't wear baby blue and try to look super tough, right? You need to wear black, gray, navy blue. Even white works, but bright, colorful clothing, that's definitely gonna make you look like friend zone material. Don't forget to check out Cuts clothing in the description below so you guys can enhance your physique and look incredible. It is the first link below. If you learned something new in today's video, hit the subscribe button below, become part of the YouTube family. And you can always find me on Instagram and TikTok. I post there every single day. It's at Alex Costa, and I'll also leave that linked in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching and for your support, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Peace.